In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify TikTok app not compatible error. If you've run into a not compatible message when trying to connect TikTok and Shopify, don't worry. This is a common issue with a handful of reliable fixes. I'll walk you through each action, explain why it matters, and share tips to prevent the problem from coming back. Start by checking location compatibility. The TikTok Shopify integration supports specific regions, so double-check that your store's physical address and primary currency are set to a supported country, such as the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, or Australia. In Shopify, review your store settings to confirm the address and currency match an eligible region. If they don't, update them to a supported option or reach out to TikTok to clarify whether your country is included. Ensuring these settings line up is often the simplest way to resolve compatibility issues. If your location looks correct, next clear your local data and reinstall the app. Log out of both your TikTok account and Shopify admin. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or open an incognito or private browsing window to eliminate any stale authentication tokens. Then remove the TikTok app from your Shopify apps page and reinstall it from the Shopify App Store. This process forces a fresh connection and refreshes permissions, which fixes many integration glitches. When you reinstall, accept any prompts for access, and make sure to complete any setup flows in both platforms. After reinstalling, check the TikTok Seller Center for product-specific details. In the Seller Center dashboard, go to the Products area and open Manage Products. Look for a Failed tab. It typically lists items that are incompatible and provides a reason, such as unsupported variants, missing required metadata, or prohibited items. Use that information to adjust your product listings in Shopify, whether that means editing descriptions, changing collection settings, or removing unsupported products. If none of these steps solve the problem, contact TikTok Shop Support for platform-specific help. When you reach out, include clear screenshots of the error, your store URL, and any product IDs listed in the Failed tab. This saves time and helps support diagnose the issue faster. Follow these steps in order, and you'll resolve most compatibility errors. If you want, pause the video and try each fix now, then reconnect to confirm everything is working. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.